Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening IMO and signing into the account that owned the deleted contacts. Make sure the app is updated. Once done, grant contacts permission so IMO can scan your address book. If you use multiple numbers or devices, choose the correct profile. This ensures we're searching the right dataset. Now go to Settings in IMO, because the next step is to access contacts, sync, and backups. This is where recovery options appear, so do not skip it. You now force a contact sync. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Sync or Refresh. This triggers IMO to re-import from your phone and linked accounts. If you previously enabled IMO backup or linked Google/iCloud, go to those account settings and restore the most recent contact backup. This can restore deleted entries. Once the restore runs, return to IMO and use the search bar. Type a name or number, and make sure to view hidden or blocked lists, as deleted contacts sometimes move there. Finally, re-add any recovered contacts back to your phone so IMO keeps them long-term. You can import vCards or accept restored entries. Make sure to check blocked and hidden lists and unarchive contacts, otherwise they won't appear in chats. If you still can't find contacts, clear IMO cache, sign out and reinstall, then retry the cloud backup restore. If problems persist, double-check you're signed into the correct Google or iCloud account, because that's the most common cause of missing contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.